Hello everyone, welcome to our project, Easy AI. I am Brady Ogle, a computer science student. I'm also actively pursuing a certificate in global leadership and change, and I've actively studied sustainability and how it relates to addressing the UN global SDGs in that program. It takes adaptive perspectives to recognize how we must address systemic issues. This is why our project Easy AI is focused on providing an easy, user-friendly access to quality machine learning software. Part of the call to action we've recognized is the need for greater integration in machine learning. Currently, the demand for the skill set exceeds the amount of people that are proficient in it. I personally have worked with research professors in the Institute of Food and Agricultural Sciences here, and one interaction that really stands out to me is soil processes researcher told me she has more data than she knows what to do with, and she has unprocessed data that dates back to the 80s. So another huge motivator is accessibility and access to quality computer science education. Bridging the education gap with gender, as well as the gender gap in machine learning, is essential for propelling the collective knowledge and solving the rest of the SDGs. So to tackle this problem, we made an interactive web app that provides a simple, user-friendly way of running machine learning models without having to know the ins and outs of machine learning. So to use it, a user can upload their data set and follow some prompts to ask questions about their data, such as what type of data it is. Then the user leaves the heavy lifting of the program, which uses dynamic neural nets to train on the data and create a model. Then that model is saved to the user's account, and they can later test against to make a new prediction. So now we'll demo this.
Hello everybody and welcome to the demo of our website, Easy AI. It's an AI web app made for everybody. So you give us the data and we do the rest. We compute really easily for people. Their data is for common people. You can sign up with Google or GitHub and use this authentication. Once you're authenticated, you go into your workspaces or see a tutorial. So on here you can see your recent projects. You can drag and upload a data set, or you could just create a new workspace. The workspaces are here and are shown as these little tabs on the bar. For example, we'll create a new workspace. We'll type in all our project information. So we'll just say project 1, give it a quick description. Just kidding. And then we'll upload a file. So upload this housing data set. And then after this, we'll choose the type of data, numerical, categorical, features columns or features as rows. We're going to classify if it's an image data or not. And then we're going to see if we want to predict or cluster or our data is clustered. So after this, we'll see a summary of our data, and then we'll generate our project. While this is loading, we can see one of the other projects that we had made before. This is called First Project, and it's a project on testing diabetes. This model's accuracy is 98%, and there's 180 total data points. From here, we can predict using this model by dragging and uploading more data to be run off of this model, or we could just download the model itself. So, and finally, we have our values, our core values for Easy AI: accessible education, transcendence, curiosity, and cutting-edge research. Thank you.
Given the time frame, there's a lot to be excited about in this program's future. In the evolution of the life cycle, there'd be full integration with Amazon Web Services. Our current work was not able to integrate this due to the heavy financial costs of running server instances on AWS, but here you can see is the proposed architecture that we would utilize. And the amazing thing about this is the potential for adding support for more methods of machine learning. Currently, we support classification tasks such as, given a set of parameters, determine the likelihood someone will be diagnosed with diabetes. The idea is to expand this to include additional machine learning models such as clustering, seen here on the right. Additionally, as I touched on earlier, there are many people dedicating their lives to groundbreaking research but are simply missing the integration with AI. This allows the common person who's not versed in machine learning to be able to use AI in their work and research. It was essential to have diverse backgrounds when creating this tech. My background in global leadership and change allowed us to integrate this program with the SDGs and target these issues specifically. My teammate Holly in digital arts and sciences helped us translate these complex ideas into an engaging medium that allows the average user to understand and take advantage of the software being created. And the rest of us were all computer science and helped to translate the machine learning models and integrate this with the web application. Thank you. Thank you for learning about Easy AI. we work towards our goal with the hope that one day you will be able to use this simple interface to change the world. Thank you so much. Have a great day.